to change a flat tire, a step-by-step guide for young adults. Changing a flat tire is a valuable life skill that can save you time and money in an emergency. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you safely change a flat tire. 1. Find a safe location. Pull over to a safe area. Look for a well-lit, level spot away from traffic. Activate your hazard lights. Warn other drivers of your presence. Set the parking brake. Engage the parking brake to prevent the car from rolling. 2. Locate the spare tire and tools. Check the owner's manual. Refer to your car's manual for specific instructions and locations. Gather necessary tools. This typically includes a lug wrench, a jack, and the spare tire. 3. Loosen the lug nuts. Use the lug wrench. Loosen the lug nuts slightly, but don't remove them completely. 4. Raise the car. Position the jack. Place the jack under the car's frame, following the manufacturer's instructions. Raise the car. Crank the jack until the tire is a few inches off the ground. 5. Remove the flat tire. Unscrew the lug nuts. Remove the lug nuts and carefully lift the flat tire off the car. 6. Mount the spare tire. Position the spare tire. Align the holes in the spare tire with the lug bolts. Screw on the lug nuts. Hand tighten the lug nuts. 7. Lower the car. Lower the jack. Slowly lower the car until the tire is firmly on the ground. Tighten the lug nuts. Use the lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts securely. 8. Remove the jack and flat tire. Store the flat tire. Securely store the flat tire in your trunk. Pack up the tools. Put away the jack and lug wrench. Remember to check your tire pressure regularly and have your tires rotated as recommended by your car's manufacturer. Find more tips like this at learnmoreuniversity.com. Education after the bell rings.